Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have my project out with the old. This is just basically a rolling 5-pan of really old products that I have in my collection that I want to slowly work on to try to get used up and out of my inventory. I own a lot of really old stuff, and I don't mind using my old stuff as long as I don't have a reaction to it, hasn't gone bad, doesn't cause me any kind of problems. I have no problem using some older stuff. I do have some limitations though. And all of these products are still good, still usable, but have been in my collection for quite a number of years. I know that Dora is doing something like her products that are 2+ years. Most of my stuff is 2+ years. I wanted to go with stuff that was older than that. And some things are really old and some things are less old, but they're all way over 2 years. So I'm just trying to get some stuff used up and moved out, and that's what this project is all about. There's no end date. There's, really no pressure on this one. I just want to get my stuff used up. So the first thing that I have, I'm gonna have a picture on the screen of what it is. This is a Franken blush that I made eons ago, and you can tell that the pan really hasn't much expanded since the last update, though I have been using it. There was an area down here where it was slightly darker, where I didn't mix it up quite as well. And you can see that is less there. This is not one that I use all of the time. It's pretty, but sometimes with some of the highlighters that I use, it almost makes me look a little bruised. But if I wear it on its own, it's fine. Sometimes it just doesn't play nice with certain highlighters. I have actually used this as an eyeshadow as well. But while I haven't really expanded the pan area, the stuff around it is thinner. So I'm hoping that by the next update, I will have some more significant pan to show you. It's pretty, I'm enjoying it, and it's going to get to the point where I have a blush in another project that's just in for usage. That's going to be rolling out soon. And then the one blush that I'm trying to finish, that it's actually some kind of value this year, I'm making real good progress on that. So then it's going to come down to this blush and nothing else in a project. So it's going to get a whole lot of use then. Right now I'm just kind of randomly fitting it in with different things, but I'm not hyper focused on it. I will be though later in the year. Like I said, I'm going to have my usage blush rolled out and the other one's going to be done. I will have no choice but to use my Franken blush. I do like it. I do. It's kind of boring, but I still like it. It's one of those that I feel like is good for like the no makeup days where you have like a little something on your face, but it's not like, yeah, you got a lot of makeup on, like I do when I get in front of the camera usually. All right, next is actually going to be my Pacifica Duo. I'm kind of going out of order because I put my pictures out of order on the screen. What are you going to do? So my Pacifica Duo, I don't happen to have the packaging in front of me. I had 2 shades left in there that were Frankened. Was not the best shades. A while back I did a Franken Friday and I repressed and Frankened and all that kind of stuff into this old Marc Jacobs palette. And out of those 2 shades I created 5 new shades. So I kind of gave myself a new palette with just 5 shades. Once again, I will have a picture on the screen of what this palette looked like last update. It's a little dusty because I've been using it and getting some fallout. But this is what she looks like right now. So this shade definitely has very nice pan. We'll bring you in a little bit closer. I've used it a little, but I haven't expanded it a ton. However, can you see the pan on this one? Yeah, that is sizable pan. I'm very, very happy with the progress on that one. And then I have used the other shades, but nothing as far as pan yet. But if you look real close at the purple, if I can get a good angle on it, can you see it? The light hits it every so often. There's like a baby speck of a pan in there. There it is. And I'm happy very happy about that, because if I'm hitting pan in these, that means they're going to be going soon. I am going to be really focusing on these first two shades. I think they're going to be the easiest to get done and moved out. And I'm hoping that I can have shade number 1 here done by the next update. And that will put me just a little bit closer to getting this Pacifica Duo moved out of my inventory. That's the goal. All right, let me get this picture out of the way. Got all sorts of things on my screen right now. What do we need to go over next? All right, let's do the Avon Line & Color Lip Pencil in Double Barrel Berry. I have used it. I actually have it on my lips right now, but I have not had any need to sharpen it since I brought it in, and there's not really any difference. I don't weigh it. I have it on a notebook somewhere, but there's no visible difference. But I am using it, obviously, because it's on my lips right now. And I have used it probably like 4 times since I brought it in. It's not going to go really quickly because, well, it's technically a berry. It's kind of a reddish berry. And it's going to take me a while. I'm okay with that. All right, we have the Profusion Eyes Trendsetter Palette Gel Liner. This is in a purpley plum shade. I'm going to have the picture of where this was last time. Hopefully I'm holding it the correct angle. Let me pull up my picture so I can see. Yeah, so that should be the right angle. I have slightly expanded the pan in the middle area. I wouldn't say it's vast, but there is a slight difference there. I actually wear this pretty frequently, but it's very dark, very pigmented. It doesn't take a lot, but I am using it. It coordinates well with my Pan That palette and my Better Together. That's primarily how I use it when I'm using those shades. It's going to get there. I do think I will have it done before the end of this year, this calendar year, but if I don't, there's no rush. As long as I'm actively working on it to get it used up and moved out, I'm going to be a very happy girl. Progress, that is the key. All right, and the very last one is going to be from Sephora. This is the Gel Gloss in the shade Perfect Nude. This is the one that lives in my purse that I talk about. And unfortunately, I didn't make as much progress as I wanted. I was here last update, now I'm down to here, but there is stuff stuck on the sides, and I think some of that is it was in my purse, but it also just sticks to the sides. So while I can see that when it's sitting upright, it's right here, once I take the stopper out, it's going to still take me a little bit of time because, you know, it clings to the sides of this. I kind of want to focus on getting this out by the next update, if at all possible, because while I like it, and I think I have 2 or 3 more of these, I got these in Sephora Play. That tells you how long it's been, because I don't think Sephora Play even is a thing, and I have not had a subscription in a very long time. So suffice it to say, she's old, lovely. It has like a nice vanilla scent, goes on nice, looks good, feels fine. She's old though. So hopefully I can have that one moved out by the next update. And if so, that means I will get to bring something else in because I just want to continue working on my old products. I'm probably going to keep going with this rolling 5-pan with my older products just to keep me motivated to keep working on things, even if they take a long time. I don't necessarily have to update this project every single month. I just want to do it often enough that I stay motivated to keep working on some of these products because some of them are going to take a while. But I'm okay with that. I'm willing to put in the work to get stuff done and shrink my collection a little bit. So that is everything for this update. If you want to join in with me and you have some older products, I would love to have you on this crazy pinning journey. As far as I'm aware, it's just me doing this. Like I said, Dora's got her own version, but her makeup is younger than mine by a long shot. And yeah, I just want to get my old stuff done, show it some love while I still can before it goes bad and I have to get rid of it. Alright, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.